Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time, with millions of tons of plastic waste entering our oceans every year, harming marine life, contaminating the food chain, and affecting human health. The problem starts with a single-use plastic, like bags, straws, and water bottles, which are used for just a few minutes but can take hundreds of years to decompose. However, there is hope by making conscious choices in our daily lives, such as switching to reusable bags, refusing single-use plastic, and recycling as much as possible. We can significantly reduce plastic waste. Additionally, supporting plastic-free initiatives, participating in community cleanups, and demanding policy changes that prioritize the environment can also drive meaningful change. Together, we can break free from plastic and create a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Let's take action today and inspire others to join the movement. We can make a difference by reducing our plastic footprint, promoting sustainable practices, and advocating for a plastic-free world. Every small step counts, and collective actions can lead to significant positive change. Join me in the fight against plastic pollution, and together, let's create a better future for our planet.